Hey there, this is Jono from Ecommerce SEO, creators of the Optizen app. Thanks for installing the app. There are just a couple more steps you need to complete to ensure the app works correctly. Below this video, there will be a link to the Optizen knowledge base. If you right click on that app and open the knowledge base in another browser, it will allow you to work in knowledge base and also work in the app at the same time. Now, when you come to the knowledge base, what you need to do is under the installation tab, you click on how to install Optizen, and it'll take you through to a brief tutorial. Now, we have two options. If you're not proficient working with code, or if you're having trouble, we can provide a done for you installation. There's just some very simple coding changes that we make. What you need to do is email apps@ecommerceseo.com. One of our developers will get back to you. All you need to do is mention that you need the app installed. One of our developers will get back to you with the information they need, and then they'll go ahead and complete the installation for you. If you want to get going straight away, you can manually install yourself. It's not very difficult at all. There's only a few files that need to be edited and some code that needs to be added, and you can just follow the instructions on this page right here. If you have any trouble when you're doing that, also you can email apps@ecommerceseo.com. Thanks a lot.